In this video, I'll be showing you an overview of the Settings page. From your Clemelopy Workspace homepage, navigate to the Settings page using the left side navigation bar. If you're visiting this page for the first time, you'll see a tour pop up. You can go through it or skip the tour. You can always restart the tour using the tour button in the upper right. To manage your settings, you can select to upload a photo for your profile display or initials. You can update your personal information and company information. You can view your billing information or upgrade and subscribe. View your transaction history. Change your password. Enable two-factor authentication. Update your preferences on your sidebar mode. You can have it always collapsed. On hover, you can have it expand, or you can have it always expanded. You can also restart the Workspace homepage tour by selecting the Restart Tour button. There is a deleted items section. Under the deleted items section, you'll notice to-dos and projects that are deleted will show up here. You can recover these for up to 14 days. After 14 days, they will be permanently deleted. Your email preferences can be managed through your emails that you receive from Clemelopy, and this is just a reminder. You can also delete your account completely through the Delete Account button. And that is an overview of the Settings page.